After spending the night with some friends, I came home, I was going to bed, and I took a look at the market, and guess what? Market hit a target zone, and we had all the elements, entry level, we have a potential move to the upside, potential move to the downside. Guess which direction we took a trade. It took a while, it's midnight, so but check it out, you're gonna love this trade. I explain a lot on how I read the market. I hope you enjoy it. Comment below and tell me what you think about this trade. Do you think I'm gonna buy? Do you think I'm gonna sell? Check it out. Here on the right hand side, this is a picture I just took right now. This is the view from our balcony. Really awesome star-filled sky. It's just beautiful. I know I've been showing you sunsets and the beaches, but even in the evening we have such a beautiful, blessed sky. Thank you, Lord, for your wonders, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Is Ra gonna buy? Is Ra gonna sell? Comment, share, like. You know what to do. See you. Hello everyone, Racing here, Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is still Wednesday, March 26, 2025. It's 11:50 in the evening Eastern Standard Time, and we're here looking at the Nasdaq Futures June 2025 contract. We have a 5-minute chart here to the right. We have a 15-minute chart here to the left. And guess what? You're probably asking, Ra, why are you looking at the market at almost midnight Eastern Standard Time? Well, you know what? I was hanging out with some friends, and I came home and I said, let me look at the chart to see what we can expect tomorrow. And guess what? Market hitting a few minutes ago, hitting a big target zone. And guess what happens after market hits a target zone? I was expecting a sell setup at this candle here, but as you can see, market open, this candle opened and it went straight to the downside. I still believe we can grab a few points here, and let me see. I would love to see a small retracement and then a sell setup. We don't have that many points here, and that's why I'm gonna sell 4 contracts. Yeah, go up, up. Let's see. We have a small support zone here. I don't even have it marked, but you can see how market is reacting at that level. I love working with price action. Okay, and we are going to put a sell setup here. 34, 28, 6 times 4, that's 24. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right. I sold 4 contracts at 21.34. Market could come up. I am not afraid of that, but they will eventually. I'm saying they will because it's highly probable. I don't know if they are going to or they are not, but you know I like trading probabilities, and it's highly probable they are bouncing off this small support zone. I am not worried about that, even though this is a really strong bullish candle. Okay, and this is a small quiz for you guys. what is the number one step of the legacy futures trading strategy? Market hitting a target zone. Yep, that's the first thing I need to see. We're gonna put it here, target zone. Boop. Market hitting that target zone. They could come, if this was a US session, I would be careful into selling the market below a entry level. We have a mini entry level here. We have a minor entry level way down here, and we have a main entry level way down here. I'm looking here at the 15-minute chart, and it's highly probable market, at least with the information that I have right now, market should come down, retest that main entry level, which they already did here. But it wouldn't surprise me, market going below that entry level throughout the day. And throughout the day, I mean tomorrow. Let's see what happens. The London opening, US opening bell, we might see prices around that 20,050 price range. But right now, we are about 5 minutes away from this, and the reason I sold 4 contracts, I'm not expecting a huge move. Okay, it's all gonna be midnight, so let me see here. We're in at 34. Let's say 10 points. That's gonna be 40. That's gonna be let me grab my take profit here. All right. Okay. So check this out. I don't use trend lines. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Let's take this low here and this right here, and we're in at 34 for contracts. Let's say if we grab 7 points out of this move, that would be 27. 27 points times 4, that's 14, that's 28. And 28 times 20, that's $560. So that's what I'm gonna shoot for, 7 points. You know, I like looking for 10 to 15 points. And we would be grabbing here 28 points on this move. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be shooting for. Market can do whatever it wants to do here. We have this kind of a consolidation. We have this high, we have this low. The market didn't took the high, it hasn't taken the low, and I don't know if they're gonna take the low. They might, but you know, I have my trading plan, I have my trading goals. This trade right here fulfills both of my trading goal and trading plan, so it's just a matter of waiting for that move to happen. Highly probable. I am not worried about stop losses, so I'm gonna pause this and we'll be back as soon as they push lower than this support zone. So you say I'm lucky? Yeah, luck plays a huge part into trading, but more than luck, you have to know what you are doing. We're gonna start looking into other markets. Okay, so if you like other markets, I've been getting like, Ra, could you check out the gold for us? Gold is a big player nowadays because of all the things that are happening in the economy. Okay, always gold is always a go-to when markets are really unstable, and we've seen that through the last weeks. So let me shut up for a minute and let the market do its thing. We are a minute and a few seconds away for the next 15-minute candle, and we should see that push to the downside, and we taking some nice profits. Well, it's gonna be tomorrow in a few seconds. Yay, new day, new trade. We'll be back. Alrighty, today was yesterday and yesterday is today. It's 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time, and it's just a matter of time before market breaks this low. I just wanted to make that joke, like, well, we're in this trade since yesterday. Well, yesterday is now today, and still waiting. I'm looking for 7 points, 28 point total, $560. This shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. So, yep, looks beautiful. Probability wise, you know I trade probability. And okay, now I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna pause this, and I'll see you in a few. Let's see if it breaks that low right now before I need to pause this again. Come on, break that low, and we are into a nice ride. Here. And don't even mention if they break this small. This is a really weak supporting trend line. Let me pause this. We'll be back for the ka-ching. Okay, I almost missed it. Check this out, guys. You're gonna say, are you freaking crazy? No, I am not. Well, that's arguable. But check this out. Alright, let me get this out of the way. And we're going to extend our take profit target. Why? ¿Por qué? Because following price action, market came back up. When you see my stop losses far away, and you say, this rise crazy. Why does he does that? Because following price action, market does what it does. I wasn't expecting a retest of the target zone high, but that's exactly what happened. I mean, with 4 contracts, I mean, that's a huge move against my position. Was I relaxed about market doing that? No. Actually, I went to the bathroom when market was around here. But I said, you know what? I know it's highly improbable that they're gonna take this high and just keep on going to the upside. It wouldn't have surprised me if they took this high, usually by a few points. That would have been a stop loss hunt, and then I knew that it was highly probable that they were going to the downside. That's why I sold 4 contracts. And it was really crazy. I mean, they went against me 12 points, 12 times 4, that's 48. That's almost 48 times 2, that's almost $1,000 if I am correct. Let's see. We have entry point and highest high 13, that's 26, that's 52. That's $1,000 right there against me. Not that I'm okay with that, but when you understand how market behaves, yeah, that could have happened, and that's exactly what happened. Let's check it out here in the 15-minute chart. Okay, market hit that target level, bounced right back, started pushing to the downside, and they say, you know what, market is gonna move to the downside, people are gonna have their stop loss around there, so let's go take these stop losses. That's what I'm guessing happened. Okay, don't say, oh, Raz said that's what happened, but I've seen this so many times that it doesn't surprise me at all. Market came up, and look how quickly they started pushing to the downside. What does that mean? That more than probable it's gonna keep going down. We have this support zone here, and we have a target zone here. Might take profit a few points above that first level of target zone, and that's where we are going to take our profits. I'm gonna take my profits there, and we have here from entry to take profit. That's 9 3/4 points. Let me move it 1/4 point more. That's 24. Gonna be 24. That's 10 full points for contract. That's 40 points, and 40 times 2. That's $800 in the next 12 and something minutes. Okay, hopefully when this candle closes here in the 15-minute chart, they would reach that, and they still have a lot of room to cover. I am not expecting them to cover those in the next hour or so. So I'm gonna grab my 10 points here, and I'm gonna go to sleep, because guess what, I have to get back up for the London morning session. I have already a lot of people telling me, hey Ra, you didn't trade the London session today. Well, no, I was sleeping, and that's the beauty of this. I can trade whenever I want. But tomorrow I said, you know what, let's trade the London session, see what's going on. Tomorrow should be an awesome bearish day, but at least that's the projection. Okay, don't go selling and saying that I said so. Just follow price action and wait for a nice opportunity per your trading setups. All right, let's see if we can get those. Let me get this support zone out of the way, because that is not valid anymore. And I should be out of here in the next few. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start doing this. Pop. We have Nasdaq sell setup. Pop. We have entry. We have 4 contracts at 2134. Pop up. We have target. Give or take a few ticks. We have 4 at. We mentioned 10 points. That's gonna be 2124. Pop up. That's 10 points. And you know I like looking for 10 to 15 points. Total trade. We have 40 points, which equals $800. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per Nasdaq point. That's not a prediction, that's a projection, and here they come. Let's see if we can end this in the next few minutes. 2124. That's my take profit. Oh, I love it when market moves so smoothly. Okay. a little bit of a worry on that remove, remove, remove. Okay, come on, just push a little bit more. This supporting trend line, we can erase it as well. Delete. It's just a matter of a few more ticks. Come on, 3 more points, and let's all celebrate together. I have guests here sleeping, but they're gonna have to wake up and say, "Ra, what's going on?" Well, we got an awesome trade again. Here they go. Come on, 2 more points, and we have 32 points already there. So I'm way past my my trading plan and my trading goal, but okay, now we can move our stop loss to break even plus a few, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't want them chasing my stop loss. And it's like, oh yeah, they're gonna be chasing your stop loss. Well, it's like a, how do you say it? Well, I forgot. Anyway, I'm concentrated here. Some people, oh, we have 10 more minutes of recording, no problem. Okay, we still have like 7.5 more minutes into this. I'm gonna pause this and we'll be back hopefully right before they hit that target level. I don't wanna do this. Okay, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pause this and we'll be right back hopefully in the next few minutes. And I hope you're enjoying this video, brought to you by Legacy Futures Trading Group. Ira, you got greedy and now you're here for a while, yay! Still sell setup, but now market is retracing and who knows how long this is gonna be. This could take like, let me see, like 40 minutes, maybe. Who knows? I might be here for an hour and a half. Yeah, about an hour and a half. So, I mean, that's the max I could be here because we have the high. They're definitely highly probable that they're gonna go to the downside, and they're retracing and then a continuation, and so I'm stuck here for a while. I am jealous that most of you are sleeping right now, so I'll stay here and let's see, at least 30 minutes, unless they want to keep on pushing, but not probable. At least 20-25 minutes here. So I only have 7 more minutes into the recording, so we'll be back when they are getting to my take profit target. And that's the important thing. I had 8 points here. 8 times 4, that's 32. That's $640. Way more than my trading plan and my trading goal. I got greedy and now I'm stuck here for a while. But still, sell setup is valid. It's highly probable, so I'm gonna enjoy this here, doing some other stuff, and we'll be back to close this trade pretty soon, hopefully. But at least, like I mentioned, at least 20 more minutes. Let's see what happens. It's 12:31 before 2 in the morning, and then I have to get back at 4 in the morning. So let's see. See you later. Well, I have 20 points right there. Why I don't close the trade? 20 points is more than 15, and I look for 10 to 15 points. You know what? I am holding this trade because if I have waited this long, it's highly probable, and it's gonna take a while, but I mean 40 is better than 20, and I'm breaking my own profit rule here with the trading plan and trading goal, but when you see an opportunity, you grab it. So let's wait. They can go up and retest new resistance zones, but I'm okay with that. They highly probable, like 99%, they're going towards this target zone. They should reach that target zone, and I'm gonna be waiting gladly for it. Now 5 more minutes until I have to end my video, so I'm gonna stop this right now. I'm gonna pause this and we'll be back. We have everything set up to end the video, so yeah, I'll be waiting here patiently with my awesome Leia. I'll show you a picture of Leia. I think I did, but at the end of the video, so you can see how beautiful my baby girl is. I hope you're having an awesome sleep. See you in a few. Okay, last video before market hits our take profit target. We have here a small trending channel. Okay, we have a small resistance trend line and a small supporting trend line. They should, I don't care if they go higher. We have a resistance zone around here, and we have a support zone, target zone way down here. So yep, it looks better and better as price action, as price moves. So now we're just gonna wait for it. I have 3 more minutes left into this video, so we'll be back and you will see and you will believe. Okay, indecision in this last 5-minute candle. We have a minor supporting trend line here, a break of that trend line. We have new resistance, support, and target zones. It's just a matter of waiting. A break of that supporting trend line, full, and we should get our 40 points, 10 points times 4. Still have 2 and something minutes left, so we'll be back in a few. I mean, we should be here 10-15 minutes max, hopefully. Let's see if they decide to finally push, although it might be a little bit more. But before 2 in the morning, I should be tucked in bed. Let's see. Okay, 2 minutes left. Really quickly, we have I didn't notice this is a 15-minute chart. We have an indecision candle right here, consolidation. Market should break either the high or the low, and I sold the market. Why? Because porque price action baby. Price action, market hit a big target zone. They are going to retrace or make a correction 99% of the time. If you don't understand what I am talking about, hit me up. I can show you. It took me a lot of years to learn this, and I want to help others be as successful as they can be. They should break this low any minute now, and it's just a matter of time before they hit that target level. We have a new support zone way down here, so let's just wait and see. One more minute before finishing the video, so we'll be back pretty soon. Still waiting. 1, 2, 3. Market retesting that trending support trend line. They should break it any minute now, and hopefully I can go to bed. I probably won't trade the London opening. These overnight trades, they're kind of slow, but sometimes slow is good, especially when you're trading for contracts. I wouldn't trade for contracts in the US session, it's just way too volatile. But here we should grab those 10 points. I mean, we've been here for over an hour now, and you know I like getting in, getting out, but it is what it is, and we'll stay here until they reach that target. And let me see, maybe, I don't know about this candle, but more than probably the next one we should be prices reaching that 21-24. So yeah, it's just a matter of being patient and not getting asleep, which I am pretty tired now, but we'll wait for it. Yay, here they go. Let's see what happens in the next 20 minutes. It's 1:04 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully I should be in bed before 2 in the morning. So we'll be back. Okay, market broke that supporting trend line as expected. Now they are pushing. They're gonna retest this low, and that's about, well, actually they are, yeah, I should put my take profit here, but let's see what happens. Hopefully they'll keep on pushing towards, let's see, towards that support level. Okay, let's see what they do right here. Okay, yeah, retesting the low. Come on, come on. Catch it. Oops. Whoop. Alrighty, target filled. Really awesome trade. It took a while, but I understood that the market, after hitting that big target zone, you know what? Now I can't go to sleep because I'm all hyped up. I'm excited. So let's see. I don't have anything else to do. So yeah, really awesome trade. Great thing. I don't have to do the Nasdaq sell setup because we already did it. That's something I was expecting. 4 contracts, really awesome overnight trade. Market is open 23 hours a day, no excuses. We have here, we sold 4 contracts right around that minor entry level. Market went against me. I was okay with that. That was something that could happen. I mean, it is what it is, but I knew that probability of market doing a sell setup was really high. You've seen all the trade. I've come in and out of the recording to show you guys how I follow my trades, and again, it was a really awesome trade. I'm pretty tired, and check this out. Look how market hit that support zone. We had that support zone. I didn't have that support zone when I entered the trade, but I knew it was highly probable. Okay, we had a take profit at around 10 points from our entry. It's all about price action. I'm telling you, when you put everything together, step number 1, market hitting a big target zone. Step number 2, identifying entry levels. That's a really, I mention this all the time. That was a game changer for me, figuring those out. Then support and resistance zones, those are really important, yes, but you saw I didn't have resistance and support zones when I entered the trade. I knew that it was highly probable that I was gonna get at least 10 points out of this move, and it took a while, but 10 points I grabbed. After the movement, I found support and resistance zones, and check out, market hit that support zone and it bounced right back. Really awesome trade. This is a perfect legacy futures trading strategy trade. I'm telling you, once you see it, you can't unsee it. I would say this is a 9 out of 10 trade setup. Really awesome. And that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I am not sleeping right now. I'm all hyped up, but I will try to relax and sleep for a few hours before coming back tomorrow. Well, tomorrow is today right now. It's 1:10 in the morning, and I hope you're having sweet dreams and you have an awesome day tomorrow. I'll see you later. Wanna learn my trading strategy? You wanna join our trading group? Comment what you think about the video, what else you wanna see. All right, questions, comments, complaints, jokes, share, you know all the drill. All right, I don't have to remember you, but they asked me to. I'm gonna get out of here. You have a great one. Ka-ching.